Members of the Rangers board this morning at Ibrox. Our reporter Mark Benstead tried to get a few words with the midfielder as he left the stadium.
Joey, you've had your meeting this morning. Can you give us an update into how things stand?
I'm not allowed to comment at the moment.
Can you confirm if you're still a Rangers player as it stands?
I think so.
What's Mark Warburton had to say to you this morning?
Not allowed to comment, mate.
Have you had a chance to speak to Andy Halliday and the rest of the players over the last week? Any message for the Rangers supporters, Joey?
So what's behind Barton's suspension? Well, it follows a row with this man, Andy Halliday. Barton clashed with his teammate at the training ground last Tuesday, and it came in the aftermath of Rangers' 5-1 defeat to Celtic.
Mark Warburton felt that the disagreement went too far. Barton had said too much. He pulled him up about it. Then an argument followed between the manager and Barton. Warburton was unhappy with what Barton had said and told him to stay away from the club and the training ground until today.
After his meeting with Barton earlier, Warburton then made his way to the training ground to join his squad. The club say there'll be no further comment on the matter, and Warburton made it clear he didn't want to talk about Barton after last weekend's draw with Ross County.
Ultimately, does it come down to a decision on your half that you have to decide? It's up to you. If you want him to remain here, it's up to you. No one else at the club.
No, I'm the manager of the club, absolutely. But the right way you do it is to go any decision internally. Whatever happens, whatever matter, is dealt with, of course, by the board and the owner as well. So it's whatever happens in this situation and any other situation, we will do what's right for Rangers and act in the right manner. So, as I say, right now there's no comment from us.
Just to clarify, he says he doesn't need to apologise. He doesn't think he does he?
You're going to press on this one, absolutely, but my stance won't change. As I say, it's right for the club to adopt the professional approach. The professional approach is to say no comment now while matters are being investigated.
Well, will the Rangers manager have anything more to say when he holds his news conference later this afternoon? You'll be able to hear from him from after 1 o'clock. And Barton only signed for Rangers in May. This is what he had to say about the club after that 2-year deal was confirmed.
I know I'm walking into a great culture, a team that knows how to, win a championship. I'm walking into a great environment, a team that's a successful team, and I just hope, I'm able to contribute what everybody expects from me, because, if I reach half of my own expectation, my career at Rangers will be a very successful one.